Home builders are lying to you, and here's some of the biggest secrets that they're not telling you. Dan Nodge here from Emmett Leo Homes, your insider into the luxury home building industry. Quick reminder before we get started to click that red button below and make sure to ring that notification bell right next to it so that you can stay on top of all things luxury building. Okay, so we all know that there are industry secrets. So I want to let you know some of the biggest things that builders are not telling you. Number one, there is no such thing as an upgrade on a custom home. An upgrade is moving up from a standard, which is funny because in a custom home, there is no standard. It's a one-of-a-kind home that you design. One of the funny things that I hear about is a contractor or a builder that is charging people an upgrade charge before they even start. That doesn't make sense. The only thing a true custom builder should be charging for is any fees that are incurred after the build has started. Based on the type of contract that you're signing with your custom builder, there really should be no upgrade charges prior to signing your contract. Number two, spray foam is not always the best option. So a lot of luxury builders will use more expensive products or products that are seen as better. Just because they're more expensive doesn't mean that they're being used in the right application or the best for that application. So when we look at spray foam, a lot of high-end builders will tell you that it's the best product for every insulation application. The installation of a product matters. Spray foam installed improperly is dangerous. It's actually proven that spray foam installed over a large wall does not work as well as it does in other applications. Number three, tract builders make their biggest margins off of their customers in change orders and upgrades. So if you think about it, tract builders really have their plans down to a T. They know their costs down to the penny. So whenever they sign up a home, they know that they're going to make the bare minimum. Now, where they make their biggest amount of money or their biggest margins off of their clients is when the client changes their mind. They are just praying that you change your mind. Number four, the key to efficiency in a home is air barrier, not specialty products. So where I build up here in Canada, it gets really cold during the winter. One of the most important things is keeping the cold air out and keeping the warm air in. Where a lot of the issues come up with these products is the improper installation and not making sure that the installer understands exactly what he's doing. So when you look at a section drawing of a home, you should be able to take a pencil, put it down on the foundation right at the lowest point, and draw your air barrier all the way up around the house, all the way to the other side. This ensures that your air barrier never has a spot for air to get out. Now, your air barrier is either going to be some form of CGSB vapor barrier, it's like that clear plastic that we talked about earlier, or spray foam or another product that prevents air movement across a membrane. Once installed, a worthwhile expense is a blower door test to ensure that the air barrier is installed properly before you put your drywall up. Number five, you do not need a realtor to build a home. This is a lie. This is a lie created by realtors and their associations to make you think that you have to use them. Now, 20% of realtors out there are phenomenal and worth their weight in gold and can help you and guide you through the process if you don't know what you're doing. But when you think about it, you do not need their forms, you don't need their certifications, and really it's just something that a lot of people think that you have to have when doing a real estate transaction. That's false. You can buy a house on a napkin at Starbucks if it has the appropriate stuff on it. So there you have it. There's some of the secrets that are generally kept from the public, from home builders that they don't want you to know. If you like this video or it helped you out in any way, or you have a comment about it, make sure to let me know down below, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get these videos that I put out every week. Now, for more information, go to emmettleohomes.com to see stuff about my luxury home building company, as well as learn more about some of the amazing luxury projects that we're doing.